Hello, Elle from Everbee London, and it's officially spring, which means that seed sowing time is upon us. I have another quick gardening tip to sieve your seed and cutting compost mixes. Reusing a bag from the cocoa core blocks, I am now getting into the habit of sifting all my seed compost prior to sowing my precious seeds or rooting my cuttings. To do this, use a riddle. These can range in price from around £5 to £25 depending on its makeup, either plastic or metal. Opt for the most robust riddle or garden sieve you can afford. Don't want to buy a riddle? If you have one of these, you don't have to. Just repurpose an old mushroom tray as a garden sieve and it will do the trick. 10 minutes and 10 litres of seed compost later, I filtered out this many lumps and bumps. Keeping these in your seed compost mix will hinder your seeds and cuttings from developing into strong, healthy plants. It's rather shocking that this much unsuitable material was in so little amount of seed compost. But don't waste this. Collect and store this in an old compost bag so that you can either use it as a mulch or simply add it to the compost pile to rot down completely. The sieve compost is lighter and fluffier in texture, and I've noticed that my seed starts are more successful with higher percentage germination rates. So for 10 minutes effort, my seed starts and cuttings are better than before. I urge that you sift your seed compost to enjoy better gardening results. I hope you found the tips in this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and as ever, stay safe, take care, and happy gardening. Bye for now.